1, coming to 1 from the back.
Car 3.
3.
Yes, have the board water and light him in on the way here.
Okay.
Car 3, we want truck 30 here too.
Okay.
Car 3.
All 3.
Yes, flames are coming out of the south side of this building in sparks. Up on about the 3rd floor up.
Car 3 reports flame and sparks emitting from building on south side.
Yes, one ladder is going down to lay on the south side.
Okay.
Here. Okay, 3. Okay. Civil Defense 501 will respond.
Okay, 501.
Car 3, has the chief been notified?
He's on his way back.
Okay. Car 3, you better notify about 30 men to come back here.
Okay, Car 3.
Car 3, is this in the Bishop's warehouse? Yes, it is. Car 3, that building is supposed to have a sprinkler system in it. It may be shut off the OS&Y, then you can hook into the Siamese. The whole back side of this building is afire. Sparks, we're going to have to get men here to check these buildings like the Grand Rapids Fashion Door to the east. Second engine. Engine 3, ladder 2, lap 2, clear. Ladder 2, check High Street School. Ladder 2, okay. 3 engine. Correction on that, that's Oak Park School. Oak Park. Ladder 2, okay. 101. The ladder up here. 101. 101. Bill, get a hold of Briggs or Mutual Aid, somebody that has Maul to come in, will you? Okay, 501. And reach the hydrant again. 501, I'm not there yet. I can't set up to get him yet. Okay. Car 3, call the personnel, Grand Rapids Club. Go to the fire on here, okay. Okay, you want another rig north of the fire, right? Okay. Number 1 ladder. Number 1. We need another line to hook the number 1 ladder. We're on the south side of the building. Okay. Ambulance 40, have 8 engine, charge line. Engine 8. Engine 8, charge your lines. Engine 8. Car 3 to the man at the other north end of the Grand Rapids Sash Door. Get some lines on that. Oh, yes, couple of weeks away, we're hooking up and charging again, sir. On the north side, get those lines charged. Engine 8. Just get hooked up over here. We need some engines over on Center Street so we can start working down the west side of Center. Okay. The lines go from the Bishop's warehouse on the Grand Rapids Station Door. All these lines take wires on Center Street should be cut somehow because they're all involved in fire. Hey, they got someone up there going to cut the lines. All right. Engine 5. 5 engine. Going up to the fire, engine 5. Going off over on Center Street. 5 engine, okay. Car 4 at Oak Park School. Okay, 4. Car 3. Car 3. Got engine 5 coming in. Where would you like them? Would you want them over on Center? I want them off of North Street. Okay, engine 5 come in off of North Street. Wait to the Station Door. Okay, to come into the Station Door from North Street. Number 1 ladder clear to number 1 engine. Would you charge that line that you have hooked to us? Engine 1. Car 3. 8. Yes, we're trying to get this Grand Rapids Station Door protected right now. Okay. Car 4. If this Oak Park School, can I clear number 3 engine to go over there, if you need him? Right. I didn't reach it. For car 4, I can use engine 3. You don't need him over there. 101. 101. We really got an emergency up here. We're going to have plenty of outside help. If we can get some mutual aid then over here on Turner Street. Or not Turner, but North.
You mean on North Street there at Center coming in towards the session door, right?
And it's really going.
82.
82. 1, car 4. So you want engine 3 to go to the fire, you want to return back to 1.
Engine 3, go to the fire.
3 and on the way. 82. 101. 101. I want everybody to stay off the radio but car 3 and myself. Left.
Okay, 101. All other units stay off the radio unless called for.
Charge the line. Heavy engine, car 1.
Car 1.
Heavy engine, charge the line.
Engine 8.
Engine 8.
Engine 8, charge your lines.
They work hard, and we broke the line. The 1 is still charged. Number 2 line is still charged.
Okay, Engine 8 reports they have their line charged. 1 line, go.
Car 3. I want 4 lines if possible on the Grand Rapids station door. Bishop's is gone anyway.
Okay, all lines on Grand Rapids session door. All units converge on the Grand Rapids session door. The other side's already gone.
Number 1 ladder.
Number 1.
Want us to shut down and move?
Engine 9, and Engine 10. Come on downtown.
Number 1 ladder.
3 ladder.
Were we told to move our apparatus out of here?
Ladder 1, whereabouts are you set up? Ladder 1, where are you set?
Right at the river.
At the river?
Yes, we are.
Oh, that building right there is already gone. You can move out of there toward the Grand Rapids session door. Car 3?
Ladder 1, okay.
101.
Car 3, I need lines inside the Grand Rapids station door.
Right, ladder 1's down by the river. He's going to move around.
Ladder 1 clear to 7 engine and number 1 engine. Would you shut the lines down that you have hooked to number 1 ladder? Okay, number 7 engine. Car 3. I need somebody on the north side end of the Grand Rapids station door to take charge and see if they get some lines on there and possibly in the building. 101. 101. Have car 3 come up Turner Street here. We got to get some help over here.
3.
Car 3, what is this about Center Street?
101, you're around on the other side over there. Right, 101?
Yes, we want to concentrate an effort on the east side over here. We're going to keep on going. If we don't, we've already lost the other. I'm trying to get lines moved. If I could get a line inside the Grand Rapids station door. The Grand Rapids station door will be gone. We want to save these houses if we can. Trying to hook to it.
Engine 1.
That's car's engine. We're at the north end of Grand Rapids station door. Do you want us to right?
Yeah, on the east side. 101 is over there.
5 engine. We're on the north side of the Grand Rapids station door. Do you want us to go away?
101.
Car 3, what engine's there on the north side of the Grand Rapids station door by North Street?
Engine 5 and Engine 3's headed that way.
Car 3, engine 5, engine 3 is just reported here on center.
3-1 engine 5 delay on the north side.
Number 1 ladder, we still have our line charged here. We'd like to disconnect and move out of here. The line is hooked to number 1 engine.
Well, I've been calling him. Engine 1. Engine 8, you charge your line. Engine 1. Engine 1, shut down.
Engine 8, charging number 3 line.
Engine 8, Engine 1.
Car 3. I want engine 3 to north and center.
Engine 3.
Rise engine, we're at Northland Center.
Go ahead and lay.
Engine 9, we're downtown. Where do you want us?
Stand by right here at the station.
Number 6 engine.
Engine.
If you have the boiler water and you like, pump up the pressure here. We're not getting anything up behind us.
Your location. Engine 6, your location.
Clinton and Perry Stage, number 6 engine. Clinton and Perry.
Okay.
101.
1.
This is a regular Perry Stage that's headed this way from the Beaver and Clinton. Or Beaver and Center.
Okay, Beaver and Center. Engine 3.
3 engine.
Your location.
We're at Beaver and Center right now.
Okay, engine 3.
7 engine radio.
Engine 7.
These lanes are going to shut down. When they want to recharge, let me know.
Okay, engine 7.
101.
1.
Do you have any milk you laid in?
Got some coming in.
Have them come to Center and Beaver in this neighborhood. And stand by and watch houses.
Unit 600 to Lansing.
Center.
Yeah, I'm putting an engine and a ladder in number 8 station.
600, bring that ladder and the engine down. This would be east of Center Street.
600, okay.
101. 101.
Number 1 water.
101.
Disconnected here. You can find out where the one is located. We'll proceed you.
Car 3. Car 3. Ladder 1 is ready to be moved. Where would you like them?
Hold them up on Clinton Street.
Ladder 1, hold up on Clinton. 101.
101.
East Lansing has got an engine and a ladder coming in east of Center Street. Do you want anything more over in there?
We don't need any ladders over here, but we may need some legs as far as Lunch Street.
We got 2 more available here right now.
Car 3, there's one line from number 8 engine isn't charged.
Engine 8. 9 engine.
Car 3, I need any extra men down on the south end of this building at right this time. About 4 or 5.
Okay, any extra men,
Fire department?
go ahead and right down there the south side.
7 engine radio.
7 engines.
They notified you about
10 engine. 10 engine. Where you calling? No, I'm calling engine 9.
engine 9.
Found anything over there?
Negative, we didn't find nothing.
Go over behind consumers also, will you?
Okay, we'll do. 2 ladders clear.
Okay, 2 ladder. You're clear of where now?
Oakland and Princeton.
Okay. Car 3.
Car 3.
You want engine 7 to be moved?
Where is engine 7? The corner, Turner and Grand River.
Turner and Grand River.
Have they got lines off?
Yep.
We could use 4 lines down here on the east side of this building along the railroad, east side of the Grand Rapids station door. We'll hook up the number 1 ladder. I don't know what they've done with them on that end.
Ladder 1's all disconnected.
6 engine radio.
6 engine.
We're at right at 0 on our intake pressure. We either need more or do not hook up any more lines to this main.
Okay.
Car 3. We're trying to get number 7 engine lines hooked up, brought on the east side of this building.
Okay.
6 engine.
Engine 6.
6 engine is cutting pressure a little bit. Stock's starting to collapse, so we're cutting down on pressure.
Board of Water Line's been notified they're going to try and increase pressure.
6 engine, okay, we'll let you know when we get an increase.
Okay. Ladder 2.
Ladder 2.
Up in the 2600 block of Creston.
Message received.
Engine 9.
Engine 9.
Engine 9, if you don't locate anything there, head up on 2600 block of Creston.
Okay, we'll do. We're checking it all right now behind consumer's power. 9 engine, clear consumer's power, going to Creston.
Engine 9.
Engine 20.
20.
We're going to turn and read. We're going to lay 2 lines to whichever reed can handle it.
Okay, engine 20. Turner and Reasoner, lay in line.
Unit 600 to Lansing, our equipment is Beaver in center.
J600. One engine.
This is the location of 7 engine.
Turner and Grand River.
501. 501. I have the command post set up on Clinton Street between Center and Grand River. I've asked for 3 crews to Board of Water Light, also Consumers Power. I have public service notified. They're having crews stand by. I notified Chief Husby, told him we had a general alarm, told him to initiate recall, give us all assistance possible.
Hey, 501, we do have an awful big problem, I understand, with pedestrians.
I got that solved when I declared an emergency and ordered them arrested if they didn't move, and they did move. We have no crowd control problem here right now. I do not know about the Grand River area. I'll check.
Engine radio, we got the lines hooked up yet?
That 7 engine?
No, if they've got those lines hooked up yet.
Car 3. Have one engine charge the lines, according to what I was told. Engine 1? Charge your lines, engine 1.
My engine, there's nothing out here pressing.
Okay, engine 9. 101?
One engine. The one you just told me to charge is a dead hose, got a dead end on it, hooked up yet.
Okay, 3.
7 engine radio.
7 engine.
Windsor Township Fire Department is here at Grand River and Turner. What's going to do with them?
101.
101?
I have 2 extra pieces of equipment on hand. Where do you want them? One is at Grand River and Turner.
One engine radio. 101, have them go down Beaver Street on Lark Street, come back that way.
Engine 7?
Engine 7.
Have that unit going off of over there, off Beaver.
Okay, you want to go to Lark to Beaver.
Right, and come in that way. 101? 101?
101?
I have engine 9 in the north end up there off of Creston coming back this way. Where would you like them?
Say, tell number 1 engine to turn on number 5 line.
Engine 1?
Engine 1.
Turn on number 5 line.
101.
Go ahead, 101.
Here, come up Center Street, Pearl. We need some help in here.
Engine 9?
Engine 9.
For Center and Pearl.
Yep. Engine 1.
Engine 1.
Number 5 line is still laying dead in the street. It's been disconnected.
Car 3.
7's got a line they should charge here.
Engine 7?
7 engine, just charge the line.
Engine 7.
Engine 1.
101?
Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Did you get my transmission? I can't charge this number 5 line. It's laying dead in the street. Been disconnected.
Okay, engine 1. 101?
101?
That's some extra manpower here at the station now.
Any extra manpower you've got, have them come up on Center and Beaver.
Okay, Center and Beaver.
One engine.
9.
Motor wheel is getting showered with sparks and hot coals over the bridge here.
Okay, 101? 101? 600?
What is you call?
Line 600. 101?
101?
Engine 9 on the way back reported motor wheel being showered with debris.
The whole drive end's being showered with debris.
101, I have East Lansing over in that area. They could protect that area.
If there's any number of fire there, have them check the area out. Yeah, watch it.
600. 52.
Yeah, we're right on motor wheel. We'll stop, check it out.
Right, if you can contact East Lansing, they're right over there off of Larch.
One engine. Got number 5 line here connected now. We're just waiting for the call for the charge it.
Car 3. Car 3. Car 3. 3, engine 1 can charge line 5.
One engine, okay. 600, will you call it?
Right, 600. If you could protect the area over there around that motor wheel.
Unit 53 is west of the river.
53.
600 is clearing that transmission, bro. You call engine 3?
Disregard engine 3. Unit 53.
101.
101.
Here's 30 come over here on Pearl Street. Pearl and Center.
Engine 9.
They're right here with me. I'll have them, is that Pearl and Center?
Correct, Pearl and Center.
7 engine radio.
7 engine.
He's right with fire standard here at Grand River Center. Where you want him?
I'm over there off of Pearl and Center.
Okay, 101.
101.
You have any other apparatus looking for fires in the area?
I have East Lansing that's over there off of Larch by the motor wheel.
Have them come over here at Center and Pearl, would you?
Just sent one extra piece of equipment that was at Grand River and Turner. They're headed up your way too there.
7 engine radio.
7 engine.
I'm going to let you talk to him in the 41 light. Here he is. I'm going to bring in a place. You're all set on stickings. You're going to stand ready to turn the water and let you get. You better put a pumper down here in Grand River just west of Turner Street on hydrant.
Car 3.
Engine 9.
9.
Yeah, Chief Burko said you on that Pearl Center. Is this correct?
101, Jack.
Okay.
101, they haven't come in with the fence to Pearl.
Okay, Bill.
You ain't calling.
This is 101, what else to do? This is 9 inches.
Up center to Pearl.
Okay. 101 from 501. Chief Burnett from Civil Defense. 101. 101. I have Chief Burnett at the command post. You have instructions for him.
You have Chief Burnett?
Chief Burnett and 10 men.
Have him report over here in the center of Pearl.
Let me see. Now, ladder 2. Ladder 2. 2 ladder. 2 ladder. This is 811 West Washington off. 811. And it's a wire down. Squad 1 to 101. Squad 1 to the Squad 1. Squad 1. Clear me to 101, Bill. 101. 501. 501. The water department here is at the command post at this time. They request that you use no more hydrants north. They'll have to use the hydrants south on Grand River. Okay. Unit 6 hours. Senate. We're at the motor wheel, corner Larson North. We're putting our aerial up on top of the motor wheel so we can watch things. Okay. 2 ladder, 808, West Washington, not visible. 2 ladder, make that 811 if you don't find it 808. 2 ladder, we are there. Okay. Squad 1, the radio. Squad 1. Squad 101 again. 101. 101. Chief, this is the war yard. 10 engine is empty with hose. You want to go to 1 and reload?
We need all the holes we can. So they have to pick up all the holes we got in the station, too. If there's anybody down there, have them pick it all up.
Okay, otherwise you want 10 engine, go to 1, top up the squad. You want them downtown too?
Right.
Now, Bath Fellowship is here. Where do you want them?
Are they when they're at your location?
They're at Center and Beaver.
Have them stay right there and help.
Okay, Squad 1 and Engine 10 is going to number 1. 2 ladder. There's a wire down in front of 811 West Washington. Board water and light should come and fix it. Okay, we'll send a PD car over there. You can clear.
Greetings, this is Tom McNamara, WILO News. A general alarm fire broke out just before 7 tonight at Lansing's Bishop Furniture Warehouse about a mile north of the downtown area. The fire is being fanned by 40-mile-per-hour winds and has threatened a several block area. The area is primarily warehouse and industrial, but there are several commercial and residential buildings in the vicinity. Lansing Civil Defense Director Jim Holcomb has issued an order for all motorists to stay out of that area.
This is Lansing Civil Defense Director. We have a general alarm fire in the north section of the city. I order all persons to stay south of Grand River Street, east of Lark Street, west of the river, and north of Beaver Street. I repeat once again, we have a general alarm fire. I decree that all persons stay south of Grand River, east of Lark Street, west of the river, and north of Beaver Street. Thank you.
Earlier, fire officials put out a call for all off-duty firemen to report for duty. This fire, the second major city blaze in less than a week, is being fanned by high winds. Several grass fires are reported. Amateur radio operator Maury Rath of Hood has a report of radio communication.
It jumped from the warehouse buildings on the west side of Turner over to the east side at the Capitol Grand Rapids Station door. And the volunteers building in there. And some of those older buildings on the east side of Turner south of Clinton are burning now.
Again, repeating, this fire is in the 1300 block of Turner Street, just north of Grand River. Please stay out of the area. Traffic congestion is hindering the movement of available fire equipment needed to fight the fire.